All right, here's the dilemma. This is my Bluetooth receiver that connects to my Echo, and it connects over here to my receiver, and that is on the CD input. When I turn on the TV, however, the receiver switches to HDMI, which means I can no longer hear the Echo. So I've wired up this guy, and this intercepts the IR receiver or the IR remote commands that would normally change the receiver. And whenever it goes to CD, it turns on the Bluetooth controller, and whenever it turns anything else on, so HDMI 1, 2, 3, DVD, yada yada, it turns it off. So we can see how it works, and you can tell by the blue light down here. We can say, Alexa, turn on the TV.
Okay.
And so you can see that it changed the input over here and turned off the Bluetooth controller. And the TV is on. And then we can say, Alexa, turn off the TV.
Okay.
And turns the Bluetooth controller back on, switches back over here to CD. This is all done. This is a little Arduino Nano, and the rest of the stuff is done through Echo and through Harmony.